Hello, I'm JR. Welcome to my podcast. In this series, we will explore 50 years of thinking. Some focused, some whimsical, and others just escaped. From observation to romance to introspection to life, we'll move through this enthusiastically disruptive adventure. The sound of a song not sung, a word not said, a tear not wept, the sound of a voice not heard, a feeling not shown, a thought not spoken, the sound of a love which has budded, blossomed, and then changed to something which cannot be easily understood. Remember, listen for the sound of the heart. In it you can hear, even through silence,